Welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, you will be learning to cook rice over a stovetop. With a little practice, you can have warm, fluffy and perfectly cooked white rice every single time. Here are the ingredients you will need. 2 cups of white rice, small or medium grain, 4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 pieces of pandan leaf. You can substitute this with 1 bay leaf. The first step of cooking rice would be to wash it thoroughly. Add the rice to a cooking pan. Place it under running water. Fill until the rice is completely submerged. Swirl the rice within the water and rub it between your fingers. Repeat this process and then drain the water completely. Do this at least 3 times until the water runs clean. Let's move on to the next step, which is cooking the rice. Place the rice with the pan over a stove top. Now to add the correct amount of water. For this, use the ratio 1:2. That is, for every cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. Since I'm using 2 cups of rice, I'll be adding 4 cups of water. Now pour this water, add the salt, the pandan leaf or bay leaf, cover and cook over medium heat. Let the rice boil and allow the water to visibly evaporate. This is your visual sign to bring down the heat to low. As the rice continues to cook, you can use a spoon to check how much water is there at the bottom that needs to be absorbed. Once you notice that the water at the bottom has reduced, you can use a fork to turn over the bottom of the rice to the top. Shut off the heat, cover and let the rice rest for 3 to 5 minutes. Before serving, fluff the rice again with a fork and serve while still warm. And this is your step-by-step guide on how to cook rice perfectly. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon with another great recipe.